Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Bellini. Now I'm going to show you an easy way to make it, and I'm also going to show you how to make it from scratch. I'm also going to leave the recipe in the description for you if you guys want to check it out. Alright, let's get to the ingredients first. Alright, so we're going to start with the easy recipe. For this we're just going to need champagne or sparkling wine and peach puree. We're going to start by adding 2 ounces of peach puree into the champagne glass. And we're just going to tap it out with champagne. I'm gonna mix this a little bit. And let's give this a try. Oh, that's good. All right, now I'm gonna show you how to make it from scratch. All right, so to make the Bellini from scratch, we're gonna need Peachschnapps. Fresh peaches, you can also use frozen. I recommend using fresh though. Sugar, and of course, a champagne. All right, we're gonna start by adding the peaches into a blender. I already peeled them and sliced them. Next, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Next, I'm gonna add 2 ounces of Peachschnapps. Now I'm gonna bottle the puree. Alright, we're gonna add 2 ounces of the peach puree we just made. Next, we're just gonna tap it out with champagne. I'm just gonna mix it a little bit. And this one I'm gonna garnish it with a peach slice. That's how you make the Bellini. If you guys like the video, give me some thumbs up. If you want to learn how to make more cocktails like this, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, until the next one, cheers.